Hi, it's Dr. Drake, and this is Cece Hamlet, Dr. Hamlet's very cute dog who's a little nervous right now because she's afraid of these things behind me, which are called foxtails. And these foxtails are everywhere right now. We've had so much great rain, which we appreciate, but it has created a plethora of foxtails everywhere. I want you all to be aware of how dangerous these are for your pets. So when you're out taking hikes, if you could avoid these at all costs, these terrible little things have the sharp pointy edge, which it can go in your dog's nose and their ears and especially between their toes. And the best way to avoid them is to stay on the middle of the trail. Avoid letting your dog go off the trail for two reasons: foxtails and snakes. Also, we're just seeing lots of rattlesnake bites. But if you could, when you're done doing your hike, wherever it is, just check between their toes. If you're on a hike and your dog starts to sneeze violently, it probably means one went up the nose, and you have to go to your veterinarian. You have to come in to see us and let us look for that foxtail. If they're holding their head like this, it means one probably went into their ear, and that's a pretty painful situation that needs to be taken care of right away. And then the last possibility is if one gets in between the toes, it does take a while before it enters the skin, so check the toes. But if you forget for some reason or you missed one, they'll start to migrate up between the toes and the dog will start to lick the foot. If they're really going after their foot, we probably need to see them for that too. So besides just being really painful for a dog if it goes up the nose or gets in the ear, if these things do enter the foot or they enter in the skin somewhere, they can actually migrate in through the body wall and get into the lungs. We've actually had dogs have to have major lung surgery and have part of their lung removed from these foxtails. So while they seem kind of benign, they're really not. Check your dog, stay close, stay on the middle of the trail, and if you see any issues at all, please bring them in so we can take care of that before it becomes a problem.